Good morning. Hello, how are you all? Today is the 28th of February. It's the last day of February. Good gosh. Right, if things are getting you down, just watch one of our videos and listen to this song. It's Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head, but we're going to have to listen to it with the sound down because I don't want a copyright strike. Alright then, are you ready? Take it away, Nicholas Jones.
Yeah, here we go.
Yeah. Raindrops are falling on my head. Have a banana. And just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. So I just did me some talking to my son. Have a banana. And like I said, I didn't like the way he got things done. Sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling. But there's one thing I know. The blues they've sent to greet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. You ready?
Yeah.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. Have a banana. But that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I took my antidepressant pills. I'm never gonna stop the rain raining because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Well, thank you very much, Nicholas, for joining me, and there we are. But I hope that's
probably that more because we bought it.
absolutely. So there we are. Good God, 28th of February.
Yeah, the 1st of March, St. David's Day tomorrow.
St. David's Day tomorrow, where all Welsh people will be celebrating. And I just got to find some events because I couldn't. Anyway, ta-ra everyone.
Goodbye.
Good God, I can't see very good without my glasses, I'm telling you.
Goodbye everyone out there.